Midlife Empty Nest Travel Adventures.
Join us as we navigate our lives and the world, mostly together. Today is a travel day. We left Perugia. We were a little bit rerouted because the Eurovelo is going on. No, not the Eurovelo.
The Eurovelo. The Italian tour.
Whatever it's called.
G-I-R-O.
Oh, Giro. Oh, okay. Got it.
But I don't think you say Giro. I think you say Euro. But not Euro.
Okay, Euro. Okay, that's going on. That's Italy's version.
We wonder why our videos are so long. Because we're figuring this out as we go.
Well, maybe we're a little tired today. Anyway, we are headed up to Verona, but we decided to meander along the coast. So we found a Supercharger in Fano, and that's where we are headed. And we are out in the middle of nowhere. We just saw a tractor go by, and it is absolutely gorgeous. So we are on our way from Perugia to Verona, and we needed to charge. So we stopped in Fano, which is northeast of Perugia, because we were going to end up over on the coast near the Adriatic Sea, where we need to go do some laundry. And
not in the Adriatic Sea, but near the Adriatic Sea.
I thought you were going to beat stuff against the rocks.
Might beat something against a rock, but it's not going to be my laundry.
Anyway, so this is super civilized. There's a Tag Ristorante Pizzeria, a Tag Hotel. I don't know which chain it's a part of, but man, super civilized. We didn't have to eat McDonald's or Denny's.
There's a Burger King close by if you're stuck on that, but no, we didn't have to do that. Had a vegetarian dish of all things.
That was actually really, really nice. Zeke's a little bit tired, so it's been a little bit of a harder day during our travels, but
day 9, almost to the halfway point. Videos every day. That process is hopefully going to get, it's a lot, and hopefully going to get better, but we're going to just keep swinging for the fences.
Yeah, and today being a travel day, there's just going to be, we hope you're enjoying the images from the road.
All right.
It's been a beautiful drive.
On to laundry.
Going to be as close to the Adriatic as we are going to get, because as soon as our laundry is done drying, we've got to get on the road for the 2.5-hour drive to Verona.
There could be worse places to do laundry, but it's pretty nice. All right, just because I'm a bike nut, right here we've got a lovely sidewalk. This first lane, 20 kilometers per hour limit on cars, and the next lane over is bikes only, both directions. Then there's a sidewalk on the other side, which is beautiful. talk about how we got here later, but it's supposed to be the best pizza in the world.
Yeah, and it's a good thing it's not in Verona. Had the best pizza in the world according to Juan and Donato of Donato and Ateca.
It was very, very good. I guess I haven't tasted all the pizza in the world, but
no,
it was good.
That was really good. And fortunately, it was the right place. I was a little bit nervous that we'd made reservations and we showed up at the wrong place, but it was really good.
It worked out.
But I think we're gonna change things up and videos are gonna be location based for the next week and we're gonna see how that works. Well, please subscribe to our channel. We are trying to increase our subscribers and definitely let us know if you have any sort of travel questions. We'll be more than happy to answer them live in one of our videos.
All right, until next time, andiamo.